We are going to make a long raised bed without using any wood, bricks, or blocks. And the best part is that this method is almost free because everything comes from the garden itself. First, we select the area where we want to build the bed. We begin by cleaning the surface, removing weeds, small plants, and stones by scraping off the thin top layer with a shovel. This gives us a clean base, so our vegetables get proper space, water, and nutrients without competition. After cleaning, we dig the upper layer of soil. Since the soil is compacted, digging loosens it and creates space for air and water to move deeper. When soil has good airflow and moisture, roots grow stronger and healthier. Next, we place decomposed cow dung chunks directly on the loosened soil. These chunks are already partially broken down, but still hard to crush by hand. Instead of smashing them, we keep them whole, so they act as a slow-release fertilizer. They will decompose under the soil and supply nutrients gradually. After placing them, we cover everything with a thick layer of garden soil. This dark and moist environment helps the cow dung break down naturally and improve fertility from within. Once the soil is added, we water the entire bed thoroughly. Watering helps the soil settle and removes air pockets, creating a stable base. We leave the bed for a few hours so the soil can rest and adjust. When it settles, we add crushed charcoal pieces on the top. Charcoal helps hold nutrients in the soil and keeps them available to the roots for a longer time. Then we add a few important amendments. Neem cake is added first to protect plants from soil pests and improve soil health. After that, we add bone meal, which provides calcium and phosphorus for strong roots and better flowering. These natural additions help vegetables grow strong and produce better yields. After adding everything, we lightly mix the top layer with a shovel. We do not mix too deep because we want the cow dung chunks to stay buried, but the top should be blended so the charcoal, neem cake, and bone meal are evenly distributed. This creates a nutrient-rich and soft seed bed on the surface. Now we add a final layer of fully decomposed fine manure. This manure releases nutrients quickly and helps seeds sprout faster. It also improves the soil structure, making it soft and ideal for root growth. With this final layer, the bed is ready for planting. We can sow any seasonal vegetables, flowers, or herbs. After planting the seeds, we water gently so the seeds stay in place and get enough moisture to sprout. Our almost free raised bed is now complete. This simple method gives excellent results without the need for expensive materials. Since the bed is made directly from soil, it holds moisture better, keeps nutrients in place, and warms up faster in spring, helping seeds germinate earlier. Because we loosened the soil and added natural fertilizers like cow dung, charcoal, neem cake, bone meal, and manure, the soil becomes richer and full of beneficial microbes. These microbes break down organic matter and feed the plants naturally. Over time, the soil becomes softer, darker, and more fertile, helping plants grow stronger root systems and produce more vegetables and flowers. The best part is that this bed improves every year. Even if the soil was poor at first, the organic matter continues to enrich it with time. Every season we can add leaves, compost, and garden waste on top, and the bed will keep improving. By using free and natural resources, we save money and recycle garden waste in a useful way. This is a simple and effective method for any gardener who wants great results without spending much. Now we only need to care for the seeds, keep the bed moist, and soon we will enjoy healthy plants growing in a raised bed that cost almost nothing and was built with our own hands.